Welcome to the Illuminator Getting Started series. This video is on the three main views inside of the workspace editor: the user-defined, active alarm, and historical alarm. So currently in front of us right now is the user-defined view, and this is the view where you can see all of the sites on the left, expand those sites to see the individual carriers and the carrier status. The carrier statuses propagate up. In the case of London, you can see that there's 8 red alarms, and that gets rolled up into the 8 the number on the ball for the site itself. On the right, you see the individual tiles. You can select individual ones here. You don't have to show them all. So you usually will select and view the ones that you're most interested in. So that's the user-defined view. And going to the active alarm view, this view, you'll notice there's no tree on the left. It just shows you the alarms that are actively in alarm mode. And the most recent one is always shown on the top left, where the most recent raised one is on the top left, whereas the last one to get raised is in the far bottom right. In this case, the carrier 1 was the first one to go into alarm because it started, and then you can see 2, 3, 4. So 8 was the last one that went into alarm, so it's the nearest one to the top. The historical alarm is very similar, but it's similar to the active alarm, but it shows you alarms that are measurements that have been in an alarm over the last 12 hours, or some time period that you want to query on. So some of these measurements could be green, so at the bottom you could see them green. So the ones that will be at the top will be red. In this case, I don't have any green. But if a carrier, let's say London Carrier 1, went into nominal condition and went green, you would see that at the bottom if it was in alarm state within the last 12 hours. So those are the 3 different perspectives that you can see inside of the workspace editor. Hope you enjoyed that one, and we're going to look at some other views in the historical mode next. Thanks for watching.